HDMM, I'm Jamie with someofthisandthat.com. Last month I showed you how to make your own powdered version of laundry detergent, and a lot of people wanted to know how to make a liquid version, so that is what I'm going to show you today. The great thing about the liquid version is if you do a large batch of it with everything that you need, it'll cost less than $20 to make, and you'll get about 20 gallons of detergent out of it if you make it all at once, or you can break it down and make it as you need it. And I'm also going to be using my homemade Castile soap. I use Hot Process for that. If you want to learn how to make your own Hot Process Castile soap, there will be a video on my channel for that. And there is also a video here on HDMM showing you how to make Castile soap the cold process way. So let's get started. For the liquid detergent, you're going to need the same basic items that you needed for the powdered detergent, with the exception we're adding water. So I'm going to use borax, washing soda, and I'm using Castile soap, but you can use Fels Naphtha or Zoot soap if you don't make your own Castile soap. And of course, you're going to need water. Now I've pre-shredded my soap already. You can use a hand grater or you can use a food processor, whatever is easiest for you. And in a pot, I'm going to add half of my water and my shredded soap, and I'm going to take that over to the stove, and I'm going to put that on medium heat until the soap has completely dissolved. Now you want to make sure that you don't let this boil. Just keep it at a medium heat and just stir it until it's completely dissolved. And then once that is dissolved, I'm going to add in my borax and my washing soda, and I'm going to stir that in until all of that is completely dissolved. My water is still hot enough that everything will dissolve easily in it. Now after everything has been nice and dissolved, I'm going to transfer that over to an airtight container, and I'm going to mix in the remaining portion of my water, and I'm going to let this sit for 24 hours to let it thicken up. Now with this, it's a very concentrated recipe, so you do not need a whole lot of detergent for each wash. I use maybe 1/4 of a cup per load, and it does an excellent job, and I use it in my high efficiency washer, and I have never had a problem. So that is what I have got for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to the HDMM channel, be sure to do that as well. And if you like nerdy crafts and DIYs, be sure to check out my channel, Some of This and That, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!